Hello everyone and a very good morning to all of you. So today March 6, 2023 and welcome to Pre-Bell with team William O'Neill India. So as always, if we start with the Nifty 50 setup, we are now in a rally attempt. So this one, the Wednesday, so I think this was Tuesday, The Tuesday low was the correction low 255, that's 17,255, right? On Wednesday, the market closed in the green, so that session was marked as the day one of an attempted rally. Thursday was day two, as the 255 was not breached, and Friday was an excellent session for the market. If you can see, the gain was on a very good volume. The volume bar was also decent, so it was on and above average volume, and the closing was near the day's high. So this was the day three of an attempted rally, and hence the status was changed to a rally attempt. तो अभी रैली अटेम्प्ट में हम पहुंच गए हैं. नाउ द फोकस विल बी ऑन रिक्लेमिंग द की मूविंग एवरेजेस. ठीक है, दैट इज द 21 एंड द 50 DMA एंड वी गेट अ FTD, दैट इज द फॉलो थ्रू डे. Follow through day is nothing but 1.5% gain on a volume higher than the previous session. So if this happens, that 1.5% gain on a volume higher than previous session, then the market status will be changed to a confirmed uptrend. और जब हम एक बार confirm uptrend में आते हैं, that means they are the best playing condition. ठीक है, it's best time to invest in stock, to look for the fresh breakout, to get the new entries, right? The confirm uptrend is the best part. However, sometimes like in this very choppy market, since last many months we are going through a choppy phase. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक ट्रेंड मिल रहा है, मार्केट को एक ट्रेंड नहीं मिल रहा है. हाँ, it is partly negative, थोड़ा नेगेटिव ट्रेंड मिला है अगर ओवरऑल देखे तो, but we have not got one complete trend. So even if we, in small time, if we get a one good week and we are above some key moving averages level, if we cross the important hurdles, then we might turn on the buy switch, like last time, add 2-3 stocks, try to get some 2-3% or 5% of profit, and again exit when we see that there are some technical breakdowns in the market. So we might do that before the follow through day, but yes, ideally we will be looking for the follow through day. But in case we see some important hurdle is passed through, and then now there are chances that Nifty might hold, or the stock is performing really well in a weaker market, then we might consider adding few stocks, and some low weightage additions we might do. Okay, so for Nifty, the important levels are 700, 17,700, 710 to be very precise, the 21 DMA. The next is around 850, that is the 50 DMA. So these are the two crucial levels. In between, there is 825, which is on the weekly chart, 10-week moving average. But broadly देखे तो 700 और 850 ये दो level important है, 10-20 point इधर उधर. So for today's session also, the 710 is the first hurdle, right? And if we do really well today itself, then the next will be 825 to 850. So mark these two levels. These are important to move above. If we close above these two levels, then that will be very positive for the market. On the flip side, the Friday's low of somewhere around 425, right? That is very important, क्योंकि जब भी ऐसा रिवर्सल आता है, मार्केट नीचे जा रहा होता है, एक ट्रेंड रिवर्स वाला कैंडल ये जो हमको दिखा फ्राइडे को, उसका लो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. एंड ऑल्सो द 200 DMA. सो वी हैव नेवर क्लोज बिलो 200 DMA. यहाँ पे भी हम 1 2 3 4 सेशन वी वर बिलो 200 DMA, बट द क्लोजिंग ऑन द फ्राइडे वाज अबव. सेम थिंग हैपेंड ओवर हियर. यहाँ पे भी 200 DMA के ऊपर हम क्लोज हुए. So 420, 400, 425 on the downside is very important to hold for the Nifty. If we look at some key news, Kansai Nerolac acquired 40% stake in Nerofix. Now they own 100%. Powergrid declared as the successful bidder to establish an interstate transmission of two projects, BOT basis, Chhattisgarh. MGL acquired 100% stake in Unison Enviro. Government hiked the windfall profit tax levied on crude petroleum to 4,400 from 4,350, not a major change. The special additional excise duty on the diesel has been reduced to 0.5 rupees from 2.5 rupees a liter. On Friday, both FIs and DIs were net buyer. It was small from the FI, but DI more than 2,000 crore of net buying. If you look at the global market, the US market did really well on Friday. I think 1.2% gain, 1.6 on S&P. Nasdaq was up almost 2%. Even if you look at the Asian market this morning, barring Shanghai, which is not always in sync with the global markets, I was just looking at the Chinese because China में आज वो उनका parliament चालू हो रहा है and हो गया in fact this Sunday को, and they have backed just 5% growth कि भाई अभी इस साल हम 5% growth पे focus करेंगे, which is a bit little lower than what the expectation was, but yes. The Kospi and Nikkei doing really well, almost 1% higher. If you look at SGX Nifty, indicates positive opening, mild positive opening, because these are the future level. 718 is the future level, and whatever we discussed in the chart was about the cash, because SGX is the future, if someone might not know it. So overall देखे तो 625-50 के बीच में opening expected है looking at SGX Nifty. But yes, on the higher side, the 700 is crucial to cross. Once we cross that, I think there might be some more positive momentum. That's what I think. So chart of the day, today I've gone for a mid cap, small cap type of company, a Power Mech project. The chart looked very interesting to me when I was looking over in the weekend. A perfect double bottom formation. Okay. It's a superb formation. That's what I think. The RS line is moving higher. The rating is above 90, 91 the rating है. Buyer demand A minus, excellent. Look at the number of fund increase. The recent results are super, no doubt about that. And if you see the couple of sessions over here, the volume have been high when the stock is coming near the pivot. ओवरऑल इसका बिजनेस भी इंफ्रा रिलेटेड है और स्पेशली पावर इंफ्रा में इसका मेजर फोकस है. द कंपनी इज बेस्ड आउट ऑफ हैदराबाद एंड जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट है स्पेशली द पावर प्लांट जनरेट डेवलपमेंट, उसका मेंटेनेंस करना. सो ऑल दिस पावर और एनर्जी रिलेटेड कंपनी इनके क्लाइंट है. इंडिया में भी नहीं, ग्लोबली भी इनके बहुत सारे क्लाइंट है वो सेक्शन, वो एरिया में. So it's an excellent company in that fundamentally it's very good. Technically it's 4% to pivot and it can be the part of your watch list. So this was the chart of the day and that's it for today's session. Thanks for joining, and yes, happy Holi to all of you in advance. So tomorrow there won't be the pre-bell as the market is closed tomorrow due to the Holi celebration. तो देयर इज कंफ्यूजन कि ट्यूसडे को होली है, वेंसडे को है, पता नहीं, बट मार्केट ट्यूसडे को मतलब कल बंद है. सो ओनली गब्बर कैन आंसर द रियल व्हेन इज होली. या, सो दिस tomorrow we won't be over here for the pre-bell, but we'll see you again on Wednesday morning at 8:45 a.m. So thank you for joining the session.